Everybody, it's Kate Rato here. So for today's video, I'm finally going to be taking you to Malam Jaba. So we are actually inside the public transportation. We came from Swat Mingora and now we are heading to Malam Jaba. We're actually just like few kilometers away. Sobrang lamig na right now. And again, may high altitude sickness. The iconic bus sound dito sa may KPK area. So malapit na tayo sa taas. We're reaching the hotel. Still, we are doing DIY. Medyo hassle lang earlier going here because alam mo na yung may mga nag-business na mga drivers, they told me that they don't have public transportations here. But again, been to Pakistan for, quite some time. So I already know that they have. And ayun lang, let's start this journey. I'm gonna take you to Malam Jaba this time. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification buttons on. And without further ado, let's go. Huy, mag-subscribe naman kayo. Para magtuloy-tuloy ang ating journey so I can continue sharing my travel journey to all of you guys. Let's go! Everybody, good afternoon from India. Kay Toretto here. So for today, good luck ko para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. You have TikTok? You can follow me. Have TikTok? Okay. Phone. Mobile. Nagpa-follow ako sa driver. Ganyan dapat. Asa lang TikTok mo? Ayan. Hindi ako makapag-start ng video kanina. I was not able to start the video earlier because there were like women at my back. So pag pumunta kayo ng Pakistan, usually itong first and second row, it's designated to women travelers. So ayun. And right now, kabababa lang talaga ng lahat ng babae. Pag-check ko lang, napalingon lang ako saglit. Wala na pala. So ayun, nag-start na ako mag-video. Let's go! Excited na ako. Malamig sa Malam Jaba, by the way. Showing yung a little bit lang ng road papunta sa Malam Jaba. Hoy, on winter time, if you go here, it is one of the places in Pakistan na nag-i-snow. Hoy, ayan na. Ilan na lang kami. Sa bandang dulo pa tayo. Bye. Say hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Kapatid niya yata yan, nagkonduktor bigla kanina. Bigla na lang umakas sa gilid. Sabi ko, ano ito? May pimple marks ako, hindi ako happy. Pero okay lang yan, sanay naman kayo, hindi ako nag-aayos. Yung fan ko naging vlogger bigla. Pumunta na ng Pakistan, vlogger na. Pak.
Sorry ka sa mga taga-Thailand.
Hi everybody! So, welcoming you to Malam Jaba. Hi everybody! So, just letting you know, we have finally arrived here in Malam Jaba. Kakababa lang ng bag. So, we're on a hunt. We're looking for a food. Hindi na nag-ayos. Dumiretso na here. Ganda lang panahon. Dumiretso na kami agad-agad. Oo, kasi gutom na rin kami. Ay, hello. Assalamualaikum. Good, hello. Hoy, hindi pa kami nakakalayo. Natatakam na kami sa prutas. Ngayon na talaga, ma? After na?
So later.
Oo. Big? Full?
Full.
Gusto mo yun?
Paano ba yun?
Sige na pa na yan. Ano yan? Para di na tayo magmangga. Okay.
300.
And then small. Can I see X small?
300.
Nausok. Saan tayo kakain? Sa labas? Tignan natin. Hoy, ayan na siya. Order agad. Ayan. Chapli. Hoy, nakaupo ako sa loob. Hinihintay ko na lang dito yung laps. Dito na tayo maghintay sa loob. Hoy, ayan na the food. The food is foodening. Shukriya. Luto na agad siya. Raita? Hoy, everybody, look. The first food here. Very quick lang. Hindi naman ako food vlogger. Hindi ako mag-vlog ng food. Just to show lang yung mga kinakain ko. Hoy, if you're ordering chapli pula, always kayo mag-aas nito, ha? Maybe at first you're not gonna like it, but for me personally, I like it. Nung una medyo hindi ko siya gusto, but nakasanayan ko na siya. Hoy, everybody. So, done with the food. Very late na, yung itsura ko. Very late na very late lang nakain. We just really wanted to eat something because we're gonna walk outside. Just walk a little lang. I'm a little bit tired and I feel antok. I don't know why. Hindi kompleto yung tulog ko last night. Putol-putol siya. Let's explore Malam Jaba. Let's see. Lang to, parang... Kuya mo, I'm happy recently because I'm watching my footages. And napaproud ako to myself because it's like, aside from, I'm able to show the tourist spots here in Pakistan, the highlights of my vlogs. I'm immersing myself to the locals. I really like that. Whenever I watch it, nahahappy ako. So, good job kayo, Torata. Okay, just in case you haven't seen the 500 PKI of Pakistan, this is how it looks like. Oh. Sumama ka na dyan, nanonood ka na pala. Oh. In case you haven't seen the 100, I think I showed this before. This is the 100 and this is the 50. Oh, yun lang. Yung total bill namin, 750 para lang may idea kayo. Dalawang chapli kebab na small, pero malaki na yun. Tapos, 3 roti, 2 soft drinks, 2 banana. 750. Shukriya. Nakaabang na pala siya. Sorry naman. Oh, ayan. Say hi. Hey, Bo. Bo. Why my itsura doesn't look good? I'm so sorry, ah. Kasi pagod ako, tsaka ko lang yung tulog ko. Assalamualaikum. Sangay. Singay. Surke. Pakher, Ali. Bye-bye. Come back. We'll come back talk to you, okay? Little walking first. So, ayun. If I look not so, I'm sorry. Ay, ma! Meron silang ano sa loob. Ay, gusto ko to may ganito. Tsaka front view. Open light. Ay, wala palang ilaw. Okay lang yan. Okay. Hoy, nag-ano kami? Room tour. Ma, gusto ko dito. May pinto sa harapan. Ay, ganda. Beautiful. Hoy, gusto ko dito. Nag-check kami ng room. Ganda. Kaya kikita nyo ba itong ano to? Hindi yan fog cloud. Yan cloud. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh.
What is this?
This? Camera.
Camera.
Hold it. Hawakan mo. Hawakan mo, kanang kamay mo. Oh. Say hello to the world. Say hello. Hello, Philippine. Hello, say hello, Philippine.
Hello, Philippine.
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 Oh, amazing. Say kamusta, kamusta ka? Ka? Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
Oh, yes, ganyan. Acha. Say kamusta ka? Say kamusta ka? Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka?
Kamusta?
Oh. Nakita mo yung room?
Yeah, I saw.
Gusto mo? Para sa isang tao, laki-laki nun. Hoy, tinan mo, grabe yung lamig. Oh. Kita nyo ba yan? Oh. So lamig. Gusto ko sana bumalik para kuhanin yung jacket ko kasi natamad na rin kami. Hoy, everybody, oh. Pak! Can you see the cloud? It's cloudening. The cloud. Ay! Simula na ng duty si Kuya. Salam. Hoy, may ice cream ako nakikita. Wait lang. Sa gitna ng kalamigan, no, meron kang ice cream. Bakit may ice cream dito? Hashtag malamjaba. Malaikum assalam. 1 scoop 100. Mahal naman. Kayo talaga. The ice coffee. Try ka na. Kahit anong scoop. Strawberry tsaka chocolate. Can I see the scoop? Big? Big scoop? Maganda na lang kaya tayo.
3 scoops, double scoop, single scoop.
Do scoop. Do. Okay. Diba? Yung lamig na lamig ka, tapos bigla kang ice cream. Sa ulo, diba? Wala ka talaga matinong makukuha kay Kay Toretto. Malamig biglang ice cream. Nay. Joke lang. Philippine. You know Philippine? Really? Charot. You know Philippine or no?
Your channel name?
TikTok. Open TikTok. क्या है?
Same.
सी हुसैन हो?
उर्दू आती है आपको?
उर्दू?
उर्दू समझ आता है?
नहीं, sorry.
बोल तो ले दो।
Are you Punjab? Patan? Patan? Pashto?
पश्तो।
O, Pashtun. Yung ang lamig-lamig, bigla ka nag-ice cream. Masarap, no? Masarap siya. Do you have this cookies and cream? Yeah, have. Kitne? Yeah. Thank you. Hoy, tara maglakad-lakad pa tayo. Di na ako mag-aayos, uuwi pa sana kami. Samahan ko yung mga batang maglakad pa uwi. May dan silang book, pupunta sila sa school. So, ayun. Maglakad tayo, tara. Pagodin natin yung sarili natin. Assalamualaikum. Pistachio ba yan? Pistachio? What is this? Philippine. Hi, ang ganda ng bata, oh. Hoy, ito yung bata. Ganda. Nasa Pakistan talaga yung mga tunay na Mama Mary. Mga gwapo, maganda nandito. Alam mo, sa aling pusa lang ako dito. Ito lagayin ko yung best friend kong Maldita. Ma, how is your tour so far?
Actually, I'm enjoying the tour. Ang lamig dito.
Diba?
Laban na yan.
Laking Baguio ka naman. Hoy, everybody, tignan nyo naman yung ganda ng Malamja ba? Nakaka-relax. Ang sarap sa puso, ang sarap sa respiratory system, ang sarap sa mata. Hoy, in fairness, the food here is not so expensive. Pero so far, we tried naman just one restaurant pa lang, tsaka ice cream. But it's good na. I like it. Hoy, feeling ko, naglalakad kami ngayon sa Batanes. Ganun yung nafe-feel ko, seryoso. Ang ganda-ganda ng Pakistan. Ang daming pwedeng puntahan sa Pakistan. Sobrang peaceful, oh. Kaya sobrang naiinis ako. Alam niyo, na-affect ako. To be honest, pag sinasabing yung Pakistan, terorista, magulo, war. Nakikita niyo ba yan? Do you even see that? Asan yung gulo dyan? Na-imber na. Hoy, everybody, to be honest, medyo nai-imber ako. I get affected every time I see na yung baka hindi safe dyan, magulo dyan, meron dyan war. Alam nyo ba, yung last visit ko dito, pinigilan pa ako ng best friend ko na yan, sabi niya, di ba may war ngayon, baka hindi safe? Sabi ko, no, I don't believe. Ang laki ng Pakistan, I already have been there, I did my research, and if still you're not convinced enough to visit the beauty of Pakistan, I don't even know what to say, but I think you're missing something really beautiful. So if you're watching this video, this is your sign really to visit Pakistan. Right now, I am in Malam Jaba, and look, ganda, love it. Pakistan, from the Philippines with love. Hoy, naglalakad-lakad pa kami at the moment, pababa na kami. May chicken pulaw sila. In case lang naman na gusto mo. Until what time you are open?
24 hours.
24 hours? Okay, good. Pag nagutom tayo, thank you. Okay na ako. Lakad-lakad pa tayo. Ganda dito siguro pag nag-i-snow, kaso feeling ko hindi masyadong matao. Malam Jaba. Hashtag Malam Jaba. Ganon. Alam nyo ba, kapag pinuntahan nyo ng tour, di maganda. Kakapagod. From Lahore, alis kayo ng 4 a.m. ng Lahore. Kung nasa Islamabad naman kayo, 8 a.m., dadating kayo dito ng 12. Tapos 1 p.m., dadali na kayo dito. Tapos ibabalik na kayo sa hotel. Ay, hindi, may mga dadaanan pa naman kayo, mga lake. Imagine mo ha, yung ganda ng Malam Jaba, tigta 30 minutes lang or tigta 15 minutes lang yung mga tourist spot. No. So, travel with Kay Toretto, okay? So, choose Kay Toretto. Hoy, what if one day magkaroon ako ng sariling travel company? Ang pangalan talaga niyan is Travel with Kay Toretto. Ay! May mga naglalaro. Baka tamaan tayo. Wait lang. May mga naglalarong bata. Baka tamaan tayo. Okay lang, mukha naman malambot lang yung bola. Okay lang yan. Doon na lang tayo mag-dinner mamaya sa may chicken pulaw. Hello! Ay, hello! Ay, ito naman nalalakaran namin at the moment, Iikot kami dyan. Tanong sa kami pupunta, bahala na. Pagod na ako. Up ka ng kiyahe. Up ka ng kiyahe. Okay. Nice meeting you. You want picture? Let's go. Sa gitna ng ulan. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hello. Second. Humabol pa yung bata. Bye-bye. Hoy, umuulan na ulit. Balik na ulit. Yung hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo, tara na, bumalik na, magtsatsaa kami, may nakita kami tsaahan, let's go. 1 with sugar, 1 nay. 1 sugar, 1 nay.
1 without sugar.
Yes. Hoy, the chai is chai. Maganda to sa magandang panahon. The chai is good sa magandang panahon. Hello. Up ka ng kiyahe. Jahangir. Ang hirap. Ha? Jahangir. Kaya na kumukulo na yung chai. Ayan na siya. Ayan na talaga naman ang chai. Jahangir. Gapa na Jahangir. Ano? Shota ka. Reto. Ikaw talaga. Kaya hindi pa kasi ako dumaan kami dito, kinakausap niya ako. Say hi.
Goodbye.
Yung ulan dito ang gara. Every 1 minute nawawala. Tapos 1 minute babalik. Nilalaro ko ng ulan. Ay, baro. Hoy, the umbrella is Dapat pala ganito payong natin, malaki. Ganda, oh. Naulo ka. Thank you. The chai is chaying and the waiter is waitering.
That one's without sugar and that one a little bit sugar here.
Okay.
And that's it. Where are you from?
The Philippine.
Philippines?
You know Philippine?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Thank
I
you.
have one woman and Facebook friend.
Really? Add to now. You have to give me your phone. You can give me your phone. Ito, Sarah.
Ay, wow. Medyo.
She your girlfriend or only friend?
Yeah, only friend, only Facebook friend.
Sure?
Yeah.
Hoy, umupo bigla dito si Jahan Jahil. Tapos may sinasabi siya sa akin. What did you say?
So you are looking very, very beautiful.
Hoy, unscripted yan. Umupo lang siya dito, sabi niya, you are beautiful.
Really?
Really? Ay, thank you. Yung ilong talaga na ito, yung nagdadala sa Pakistan. Thank you, Jahan Jahil. How long you been here?
1 month.
1 month? Where do you live?
No, before this, I was studying
Where?
in Khwaja Khera.
What did you study?
FSC pre-medical.
Pre-medical?
I give the exam. I'm still waiting the result. When result come, inshallah, I will continue my study.
That's good.
Yeah.
Nursing?
NBS.
Hindi ako maganda pero okay na yan.
13 year of education. I have already completed the 13 year of education.
And then like this is, masteral, doctoral, ano bang tawag dyan?
Masteral.
Masteral?
Yeah,
Like another degree, yeah?
yeah.
After
that,
masteral, PhD,
yeah.
Ganun
then
pala.
doctorate, right?
Hindi talaga ako magaling sa ganyan, sorry ha.
Nag-aral kasi ako, mabuti akong bata ng kabataan ko.
Ay, nag-aral din ako, hindi lang ako, bakit? Absent ako nung tinuro yan. Kasi nga, I know one day I will become a social media star. Na-feel ko na yan before na sabi ko magiging social media star talaga ako, magiging TikTok. Bago pa na-invento yung TikTok, naisip ko na yun na one day, magiging star na ako sa TikTok. Oy, charis lang, joke lang. Thank you for sitting with us.
Here in Pakistan,
Ha?
in Pakistan,
What?
your tourism.
Yeah, tour. I'm the
Only in Pakistan, yeah.
because I am the future Pakistan Global Ambassador.
Yes.
Because I'm giving the
Future
best.
Tourism Global Ambassador of Pakistan.
Yes, see, because I love Pakistan and I am proud that I love Pakistan.
Yeah. Pakistan is a beautiful country.
Beautiful country.
Yeah.
Pagkakarinig ko, dirty country.
Not beautiful?
Beautiful, yes, it's beautiful. Kinabahan ako sa sinabi mo. So, okay, tomorrow we will go. Because of you, we will go.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much.
When you upload that, I will repost it. That video.
Ay, hinawakan niya yung kamay ko! Hinawakan niya yung kamay ko! Again, hold the hands again. Ay, talaga naman. Diyan! Nagtawa ako lang kasi kayo talaga talaga. Kanandian. Landi yung mga kayo. Do you like Philippine?
Yeah.
Yung ganyan kagwapo kinikinig sa gantong itsura, sira ulo ka. You like Philippine?
Yeah.
I like you too.
Inshallah, I will follow you, subscribe you.
You like-
your all channel.
You like me?
Yeah.
Too much or little? Nahihiya siya na
Too
mo.
much.
Too much? Why?
Yeah.
Why? I'm cute? Look at me. I'm cute?
Mapuro ka kalandian, buksan mo yung password.
Huwag ka mag-side comment, nagbablog ako.
Sorry naman.
Kainis ka naman. Okay, I will give you my WhatsApp number so we can have a deeper connection. Okay? And save your WhatsApp. You like me? Yeah? Yeah. Gusto ko talaga magsakay-sakay sa mga ganyan. Uy, mga... Ay, it will not ring. Wait.
And say hi.
Ay, talaga naman. Sigurista. Talaga naman. Ano to? Malamja ba?
Malam Jaba. Pakistani.
Can you write your name? Ikaw nga maglagay ng pangalan mo.
Here?
Yeah, type your name. Ha? What time you finish the duty?
Yeah.
What time you finish the work?
The work
Duty finish what time?
starting from 7 o'clock to 3 o'clock. 3
Moy.
a.m. Yeah.
3 a.m.?
Yeah.
3 p.m.
No PM, no AM. I will come again.
Okay, okay. Hi everybody, good evening. Continuation of my vlog earlier. Biglang naputol yung vlog ko, so sorry naman because biglang umulan. Oo. Pinatila namin yung ulan tapos tumakbo kami pa uwi kasi maliit lang yung payong ko. Uwi. So we are now outside. We are looking for dinner. Ayun. Pagod ako, sorry. Hoy, malamig yung panahon. Ha? Gusto mong tignan? O, tara. So, ayun. Alam ba? Ito yung last part ng vlog ko, so mag-i-story time ako. We're just looking for a food, and maybe while eating, I'm just gonna tell you, story time, para lang mag-gets nyo yung mga nangyayari at the moment. Para minsan pag nakikita nyo ko, wala siya sa mood, parang pagod siya masyadong tignan, ikakwento ko tonight, while having dinner. So, bali yung ending, dito rin kami sa sa kinainan namin kanina. Sorry naman, nakailang tanong na kami, nagtanong kami doon, sa ba, doon. Basta somewhere doon, sarado rin naman, wala rin naman silang mga pagkain. So, ayun. Hoy, gusto ko yung weather dito. Look at my outfit. It's feathering, love that. Hi, everybody. So, ayun. Madumi siya. Ano ba yan? Yung mukha ko. Irritable ako. Sorry, pagod na kasi. Hoy, I will tell you a little bit of this story before we start. So, I think this journey will be like kind of guys, tayo ng angulo ko. Okay, go. No, it's okay. Take your time. Ikaw talagang bata ka. Go. Take your time. Okay, let's continue the journey. Let's continue the story time. So, story time. So, ang mapapanood nyo dito, moving forward, most of my travel itineraries and everything, just to let you know, the moment that I arrived in Pakistan, I was the one who's responsible of arranging my own tours. So, I didn't get any kind of travel tours or ganyan. So, I'm just trying to contact some people. I literally did research for like almost 2 to 3 months before this trip. I contacted some of other vloggers here. I'm seeing some comments na, "Uy, can you please also link me to the tour guide who gave you a tour?" So, nababasa ko yun, okay? I was able to read some of that. And again, if I didn't like reply or if I didn't recommend it, so I just don't want you to have the same experience na na-experience ko, okay? Not everything that you see on camera is also like who they are or what they are in front of the camera. And as much as I would like to recommend you to certain people or specific people for like a tour like that, if I didn't, please just understand, okay? Story time about my northern trip last year. If you watch the 9 days in the north, let me tell you, I had a very bad experience. I didn't mention the company, but I because they seem like maybe wala naman silang pakialam sa akin. How many followers do I have last year? Like 8,000, 10,000. So medyo wala. I don't think that they care about me. But ayun na nga, it was not really a good experience. For example, first day ng tour, before we even reach, nasa Cagayan Valley pa lang kami, nakakaloka na, nakipag-away na yung driver. And I was the only foreigner when I was in that trip. So I really don't understand. As in, gulong-gulong-gulo ako. So if you watch 9 days in the north, I am trying to be as positive as I can kasi if I will just really share to you yung talagang nangyari, trust me, just the first day pa lang, nakakaloka na siya. As in, gusto ko ng first day, gusto ko nang magbitaw sa trip. Sa mga nakita ko, it was so unprofessional, it was so, hindi siya arranged, everything was like, parang alam mo, kinuha yung pera mo, sinakay ka sa sasakyan, idinaan lang kayo sa mga, nakita mo na, pack, tapos na, parang bayad ka na. And I didn't know na yung mga kasama ko last year pala, we're also complaining na rin naman pala. But they, just like me, they also didn't receive any response, any help from the tour na we book. Okay, as of the moment, I still cannot recommend any trips, okay? any tours because I'm trying it myself. I'm trying some tours for myself and I don't kind of recommend. I just don't have a good experience for now, okay? The people are good. The joiners, yung mga kasama ko sa trip, they were okay. It's just the company na mga medyo fail. Ayun lang, okay? Yun lang yung mga nag-fail. So I decided to do na lang na ano, yung mga, it's okay, come. Come here, sit. Sit. Para next, Rasha. If you notice, I haven't recommended any tour up until now because I personally wouldn't recommend them. Okay? So may mga private tours akong naganap, meron naman nabubuk ko lang somewhere, but most of my tour were like, it's DIY. I did it myself, and every time na nagdi-DIY ako, you will see yung shine ng vlog ko, mas masaya, mas positive. So, ayun, para mas okay na sa akin this time yung I would rather fix everything myself. Security, clearances, hanapin ko yung kung saan ba sasakay, kung magkano ba yung pamasahe. Ako na yung nakikipagtalo kapag feeling ko niloloko ako sa pamasahe, sa mga ganyan. Or tatawagan ko yung mga friend ko sa Dubai, local, receptionist, managers, lahat ng possible na pwede kong matawagan. Just to make sure na hindi ako naloloko sa pamasahe. Yes, it takes time, but yung at least I get to learn, di ba? I get to learn myself. So next time na, hindi na siya mangyayari. So ayun, the more that I'm doing it myself, the more na I'm learning and the more na the positive outcome in my vlog. You will see, like for example, one of my vlogs, previous vlogs, yung Abbottabad local market, it was me who arranged everything. Hamza, he was with me, I hired him. I literally just told him that this is what I need, this is what I need to do, this is my budget, this is how I wanted to do it, this is like how I want things to be done. So ayun, nagawa naman siya. So if you watch my Abbottabad local market, I would say that it was like a very successful episode. I hope in the near future, I will be able to recommend yung tour here in Pakistan na we can all trust. Na tipong pag sinabi na, it's caterer to approve, kumbaga. At as of the moment, medyo wala pa siya. Mahirap mag-DIY because the tours here hindi pa ganun ka-smooth. Pero kung kaya mo naman, matyaga ka, masipag ka, and if you really have that urge to travel and do it by yourself, it will be a successful. And may sugat ako. Ayun na. That's gonna be it. Everything naman, this SWAT with my best friend so far, it was an amazing experience kasi dalawa kami nag-aayos, nag-uusap, mga ganyan, ganon. And it was easier this time because I have some connections who's helping us naman. Mga basic questions lang naman. So, ayun. Overall, I hope that you are enjoying the episodes that I already released on my YouTube channel. And I hope that I will be able to deliver something better, more quality, something that you're really gonna like. Something that we're all gonna like. Which is, I was like really figuring it out recently. Do I want to show like tourist spots or do I want to share more of my experience immersing with the locals? And I think I am more happy, and even my viewers naman is more happy every time that they see me like interacting with the locals. But sometimes with the security, it is not possible. Sometimes they don't allow us na to to really have this kind of connections with the locals. And off-cam, if that happens, when they told me na nagpipintig yung tenga ko, sorry naman, when you told me like locals are dangerous, like, I understand, okay, I get their point of view, they know the locals here, but when they said, if they said that, medyo na, feel bad din ako, yung parang, I am here to show the beauty of your people. Not just your country is beautiful, but more on I would like to focus on showing the beauty of your people. Kasi nga, di ba, alam niyo naman na it's kind of underrated, mga ganung bagay. Anyways, I think this is mahaba na tong story time na to and nag-release ng di ba, ng salooban because I really, I'm reading your comments, nababasa ko yung comments nyo. It's just, sorry naman kasi ang busy talaga. If you're a solo travel vlogger, I will tell you, the moment that you wake up, buksan mo yung laptop mo, transfer mo yung files, mga ganun. Mahirap siya. Habang naliligo ka, nag-transfer ka ng files. Lahat ng free time ko, possible free time ko, yung pagtulog ko, nag-transfer ako ng files. Magising lang ako saglit, i-transfer ko yung files. So, ayun. I hope, comment down below if what are the things that you wanted to see on the next episodes that's coming up. So, I will make sure to try to read it and of course, consider it. Yun lang. Mahaba na to, tong last part na itong vlog ko. But again, this is Kay Toretto, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And if not, nakikita yung usok sa big ko. Umuusok siya. If not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. So, ayan. Bye-bye. Chicken karay. You did the chicken karay, ah? Bay dyan. Chicken karay. Hoy, dami ko palang watchers kanina habang ginagawa. Sila yung mga nanonood. Habang ginagawa ko yung vlog ko kanina. Nananakit ka, nakikita ko. Huwag mong hampasin. Ay, sorry. Diba, nananaway ako dito. Nananaway talaga. Ayoko talagang binabatukan yung mga bata. Ay, bonus clip pala to, bonus clip. Kakain na kami. Sama natin sa bonus clip yung pagkain namin.
What's your suggestion in this society and this area?
Society, it's okay. It's amazing.
And where are you? Why are you come in this area in Pakistan?
It's a good place because last year, this is my time in Pakistan. I visit Gilgit-Baltistan, Skardu.
Can you going in other country?
Sorry?
Can I going in other country?
Me, yeah. I visited 10 countries, 10 or 11.
And where?
A lot.
Why are you come here?
We both live in Dubai. We have good friends, Pakistani friends.
Yes.
And like, we want to visit their country, so...
Swat is a beautiful.
Patanya.
Swat is a beautiful area because I come here. I am.
Do you live here, by the way?
I am from Bajawal district.
Bajawal?
Bajawal.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know some people there. Good. Hoy, bonus clip to, bonus clip. Nagchichikahan kami in the middle of the road. Masarap ba kayo pagchikahan? Malamig. Malamig yung ulo. Okay. So, you don't live here. Just visiting tourist also? You live here now?
I am come here. It's my friend. He come to my village. I am tour to my friend. I am because come here. Yes.
Saida. Saida. Oh, wow.
Can you speak any language?
Pashto?
Yeah.
Urdu tori, right? Tori. Yeah. Musam kayam?
Musam
Musam kayam. Yeah, Musam kayam.
अच्छा है मौसम
Ah, wow.
में ये बोलना चाहिए
Awaw. Hoy, awaw means like yes. Ganun, awaw.
What's your name of your YouTube channel? It's your YouTube channel.
You want? Ay, kayo to talaga. Ikaw talaga. Nangunguna ka pa. Bye. Dubo ek dotin bo. Wait, come. Ek dotin bo. Bye-bye.